It's Friday.
Yeah.
What are you eating for breakfast?
Pop-Tarts.
Does that look like Pop-Tarts to you? It does? Jackson, what are you eating then?
But it tastes like cinnamon rolls.
Oh,
My throat hurts.
I'm sorry, your throat hurts.
I'm eating my brain. But Merry Christmas.
You're silly. And we're going to try taking the puppies with us to the bus stop. Look at how happy they are.
Phone.
You just spit on my phone?
Yeah.
Ooh. Well,
Here, yeah.
look at how happy they are. All right.
Sheppy can use Sheppy's and Chance can use that one.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm not walking them.
You're not walking them at all?
I'm walking Sheppy. No, my backpack's too heavy.
Okay.
Actually, I'm not going to do it to my backpack.
Oh, now all of a sudden everybody's backpack is too heavy.
Mine was the one who was actually heavy. Which one do Oh, yikes. No.
Alright,
I'm not trying to force you. Hi. Sheppy. Okay. It's loud. Sheppy. Sheppy. Come on. Come on, Shep. Come on.
What did I say about if you want to record, what do you have to do?
I'm never the one who decided. I just didn't want to hold the dog. Hey, Jack. Mexicans are crazy.
Oh my god.
Those people.
Oh, sorry. Alright, look, Jackson. Look at what you're doing, son. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Alright, look. I'll hold on because you are going crazy.
I know.
They are losing their minds. Come on, Shep. Come on, Shep. Puppy doesn't need telling twice. He's just going to walk in the middle of the street. Oh my gosh. Jan. Puppy. Stop.
Oh, shoot, car.
Oh my gosh. We'll never make it to the bus. Look, you hold him. You hold him.
No.
Thank you.
Chevy, no.
Shep, come on. Will we ever make it to the bus stop? They are losing their minds. Okay. Taking this man on a run. Oh goodness.
Wait, Daddy, this weekend Chloe's going back to South Carolina.
No,
Made it.
Oh, yeah. I was about to say, well, now I can't go to swim for our challenge because I was
don't know.
Maybe
Hey, bring the puppy out of her yard.
Keep it to yourself.
we were going from Frog's house, but now we can't.
Oh, look at the puppy being a good boy.
Nope. I never even said he could get up.
Oh, well, tell him to sit again. Maybe he'll listen.
He's coming with
Are you going to say it again?
Chance. Sit.
Say it like you mean it, man.
Sit. Sit, puppy.
Oh, he's such a good listener.
Yeah, like Roscoe who ran last night.
Oh, no.
Where'd he run to?
I know.
Neighborhood watch.
I closed the garage doors. I closed that.
Neighborhood watch. Keeping it
You
safe.
come back, you come back.
All right, Buzz.
Where's your bus? Hey, hey.
Gotta go, he's a hot mess.
Tangled.
Puppy, come here. Wrong way. Puppy.
Can't.
No, you better go.
All right, here.
Here. Hey.
Jackson,
No. Here.
just bring me the leash, bud. That's all you got to do. All right, you have a good day.
Okay. Bye, Mom.
Bye, love you. Together. I'll show Dad what good behaved dogs you are. Walking together, good job. Sniffing together. Watching out for cars. Together. Except for Chef.
Then let's watch our channel.
You want to watch our channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Phone.
Thank you.
There.
Somebody loves his mama. Hey, you get back here and love on your mama. Friday.
Friday night.
Jackson, I believe Dad said not to do that. Jackson! I've got this on video. He will be watching this going, you're grounded.
Please, please, delete it. Delete it. Delete it. Say we faked it.
What?
Delete that video. Oh, you say
Not
we
doing
faked
it. Say we faked it?
Yeah.
You want me to lie to Dad?
No. Or you don't.
No, trick Dad?
Or if you don't want to lie to him, delete the video.
I'm not deleting the video.
Sissy,
Nope, not doing it.
delete. I want to delete it.
Nope.
Yes, I'm throwing it in the garbage again. They got it. No, she paused it. No. I clicked send. Wait, seriously? Hold on. Let me see. No! Put the phone down! No! Put it down to the ground!
What are you doing with that ruler, Jackson?
Nothing.
Does it look like nothing?
Ah!
Thanks, Jackson. You saved me.
Tornado!
Ah! Aaron, you done messed up, Aaron.
Get it! You betcha!
Hey, you are not supposed to be doing that either. Why do you guys have so much energy?
Mine.
Ugh.
Why'd you do that? One day, can we go back out?
Oh, he said now you gotta kiss him. Do it, Jackson.
No!
Give him a big one. Big smooch. Big smooch. Jackson, give him a kiss.
Kiss me, now you gotta kiss me.
Now I think it's been a while since we slept underneath our couches. Yeah, they've got a lot of energy.
Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
I can't run, I just jacked up my
Miss me,
knee.
now you gotta kiss me. No. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me. With my behind. Yes, stand
Come-
up and
I
try to
can't.
get us and get
Lean in.
behind.
Lean in so I can kiss you.
No, you have to try to chase us.
No, I can't chase you.
Yes, you can.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. See?
I
Miss me,
can't.
now you gotta kiss me. High five. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
Are you going to give me a high five?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You're 100% sure.
Yes. I
Oh,
know.
my
That's you,
goodness.
now you gotta kiss me. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
You guys are so silly.
Hey, my behind.
Alright, let's sit down and watch our movie.
No, so my
Jackson.
My behind hurts. I'm sorry I said that to you. My behind hurts more than you can ever imagine.
Oh, do they have so much energy? It's a lot of energy.
Oh.
I don't feel like that was a really heartfelt sorry.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh! God.
Mom, BOG the next week.
Alright.
Whoa. That's a no-no for me. And halfway left.
Our channel's awesome.
I hate it because I want food. That doesn't mean no one will give me food.
What did I tell you to do?
I can't get it.
Gray, not a smart thing to do because you have a cast on.
Yeah, because I might follow you.
But mainly because he has a cast on. Gray, get down.
I'm a pro now. I'm a pro now.
Grayson, no more.
Okay. I'm a pro now.
Jackson. Do I want to see what?
My special dance move. Can you take a video and put it on our channel?
Sure. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Ready? Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Oh, Grayson, that's a pretty nice dance move.
Chicka bada bomba. Chicka chicka chicka.
You are so crazy.
Bada bada booba. Booba booba